I'm going to show you all how to reopen a sprint, right? Recently, I was asked this question, Aisha, when I mistakenly close a sprint, can I still go back and reopen that sprint that I mistakenly closed? The answer is yes, you can. There's two ways you can do this, right? You go to report, and when you go to report, you come to sprint report. That's one popular way of doing it. I know my this on JIRA is not showing me sprint report. Sprint report is one place to go. Another place to go also is your sprint burn down chart. And when I click on sprint burn down chart, and under the arrow, you can go to the sprint that you just closed. You can look for the sprint name, and you click on the sprint name. And when you click on the sprint name, it shows you the burn down chart. And for the same thing, if you open the sprint report, you can also come to the drop down arrow and choose the right sprint you would like to reopen. And right next to these three dots, right, you click on the three dots, and right away it tells you reopen the sprint. And then you just have to click on reopen. And then it's asking you, you have 4 issues, we will move back to your sprint. After you reopen it, 3 incomplete issue will not be moved back. So basically, the incomplete issue will not be moved back, but issue that was moved back from the sprint who was reopened will now be moved back. Then I just hit on reopen sprint, and right away you reopen that sprint. And if you notice, it has like the done stories that was for this sprint. And the issue, remember the spillover, I already moved it to this sprint, but you can easily then drag it and put it back if it's something that you plan to rework on it again. So that's just a simple way how to reopen your sprint. And thank you all for watching my video. If you've been finding my content valuable, do not hesitate to like and subscribe to my channel. I truly appreciate you all. And if you are interested in mentorship, do not hesitate to email me at admin@aishascrumtech.com. See you all again in my next video.